Hi, Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 7 and we will present assignment 3 of Fundamental of Image Processing. Our group consists of 3 members, which are Tengku Nur Afika, Fatin Shazliana, and me, Nurdini Sajida. In this assignment 3, we need to develop an application using Python OpenCV that can process a set of provided images with a background into an image output that has clear white background. In this assignment, we will implement segmentation, which is an adaptive threshold. We also implement medium blur and erosion into our code. Next, this is the pipeline of the process, where from the input image, we use medium blur, adaptive threshold, medium blur, erosion, that resulting an output image.
Next, I will be presenting the result image. So this is the image 1 with the 4 different output with different mask size, which is 3, 5, 7, and 9. So this is for image 2, image 3, image 4, and image 5. And from the previous output, we can make the analysis. For image 1, mask 3 is the most suitable for a fair background that contrasts with the foreground. Because the higher the number of segmentation masks, the more pixels will be isolated. Similar to image 1, image 2 is also suitable with mask equal to 3. Like this one, we can see that mask 3 is more readable, similar to image 2. And then image 3 and image 4, both images have shadows at the background and different pixels that make it hard to segment. Therefore, the suitable segmentation mask for this image are 5. Image 4 and image 3. For image 4, the mask equal to 5, there still contains some noise, but it is still readable compared to the mask equal to 7 and 9. And then image 5, it has a slight shadow compared to image 3 and image 4. But all numbers of masks are acceptable for image 5. And the most suitable one is the mask equal to 7 because it produces the clearest output. Nonetheless, all image solve the segmentation problem.
Next, this is the Python code that we use for our application. We implement medium blur before to smoothen the image before the segmentation. We also use the medium blur after the segmentation to get rid of the apparent noise of the resulting image. And we also implement adaptive Gaussian threshold that implements segmentation to partition an image. The image threshold value is calculated for smaller regions, and therefore there will be a different threshold value for different region. We also implement erosion, which used to structure the image where it shrinks the foreground image and enlarge the background image. By implementing the erosion, it will result in a readable output image. Next, this is the function to set the image size mask, and this is the function to save the image. We also use a tkinter window where it will show the mask size label, and we also use the process button to process the image and save button to save the image.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Tengku Nafika and I will demo our group program. So first we run it. So this is the user interface window. We use tkinter. So the user can choose the mark size. Minimum is 3. increase to 5, 7, or 9. The maximum is 9. So for example, the user choose 3 as mark size for the medium blur. We can then choose the image that we want. For example, image 01. So it seems that mark 3 is suitable for this kind of image where the contrast between the foreground and background is high. So the user can save the image. And it will be saved here. So for example, we choose different types of image, like image 3. So image 3, there is like shadow in the background, and the contrast between the foreground and the background here is not really good. So it seems that mark 3 is not suitable since there is noise here. So maybe we can increase, and we choose the image again. Yeah, so mark size 7 is suitable for this kind of image where there is shadow and the contrast is not really good. So we can save it. So to close all windows, we just close this tick in the window. So that's it, the demo for our group program. Thank you.